good. Fast break layup. It's good.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. It's Game 3 of our Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball, a matchup between the Naga College Foundation, Lady Tigers versus Universidad de Santa Isabel, Lady Falcons. We are live here at USI Prasati Gym. I'm Karen Caro and with me is Christine Reyes at kami po ang commentator nyo throughout this game.
Yes, Kay. We are also live at GNN and Bucal Facebook page and of course sa GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. So rundown lang tayo sa nangyari kanina. Game number 1 is Camarines Norte State College Red Stallions versus the Polytechnic College Blue Stallions kung saan nga nagwagi dito ang Red Stallions ng 3 sets to 1.
At ngayon, Tin, pag-usapan naman natin ang two teams na maglalaro
Yes.
for this game. First is the Lady Tigers. Ang ace player daw nila ay halos lahat at ang sinalihan nila is Valley Prep at Tribisco Cup. Ang mga players nila ay 50% baguhan at 50% yung datihan.
Dito naman sa Lady Falcons, Kay, this is their third appearance na dito sa season ng Bucal at hindi pa sila nakakapanalo but still they are eager to win their first game here. And now we are starting our set number 1. It's USI versus the NCF Lady Tigers. And now, nakuha na USI ang unang puntos dito sa set number 1.
At rinig na rinig natin, Tin, ang napakalakas na cheer coming from the fans of these teams.
Nagsisimula pa lang tayo pero yung hiyawan ng mga tao talaga namang sobra-sobra. And now number 17 on USI side, Ahero to serve. A great serve right there. Bombita! Their libero. Number 8. A great spike from the Sena. Talaga naman nagsisimula pa lang ang init dito sa loob ng court. It's 1-all.
Nagpapakitang gilas,
Yes.
Tin, ang ating mga kupunan for this moment. Now serving Mianda for Lady Tigers.
That was outside. Score for the USI Lady Falcons. 1-2 na sa ating talaan. Isa ang laman ng Lady Falcons dito. Olpina on the serving line. Taking her time to serve. A service ace coming from the side of the Lady Falcons here. A good start for these ladies. Talaga namang tama sila. Hindi pa tapos ang laban dito ng Lady Falcons. Again, Olpina on the serving line to serve the ball. A great serve Number 9, Ahero. Number 2, great dive.
Long rally ito, Tin.
Number 13 of USI, 17.
What a nice spike.
Buhay na buhay pa rin ang bola. And that was the score for the Lady Tigers.
Naghahabulan ngayon, Tin, ng score ang ating dalawang kupunan at makikita natin na napaka-competitive talaga. Talagang prepared sila for this game.
Yes, it's 2-3 sa ating talaan. The Baculos on the serving line. Ayan, para mas malaman pa natin dito sa side ng Lady Tigers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla.
Hi KNT at sa lahat ng nakatutok pa rin live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Kyla Casulia, your courtside reporter all the way from the home of the champion, the NCF Lady Tigers. KNT, ito nga ang unang pagharap ng NCF Tigers at USA Lady Falcons this season 4. Handang-handa na nga ang kupunan ng Lady Tigers sa kanilang unang sabak for this season. Nakapanayam ko nga ang head coach ng Lady Tigers na si Coach Porly Tupas. Ayon sa kanya, araw-araw na training nga ang preparation ng Lady Tigers for this season 4. And before the Bucal, they already joined Valley Prep and Rebesco Cup. Ayon naman kay team captain Danica, they are really prepared for this game to really prove that they are the defending champion. Manaig kaya ang Lady Tigers this first set? Yan ang ating abangan. For now, back to you, Tin and Kay.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that report. At yun nga, talagang prepared sila for this game. Araw-araw ang kanilang training at gusto nilang i-prove na sila talaga ang champions.
Yes, Kay, ayan, back to the ball game tayo for all. And again, score for the side of the Lady Tigers. We are only starting, but we can hear the cheering of the crowd for this both teams. And now, Bombita on the side of Lady Tigers serving the ball.
Atin, gusto nating acknowledge ang presence ng ating Facebook Live viewers.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Shout out kay Christina Valenzuela. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.
Yeah, thank you so much for your support. 6-4 na sa ating talaan. Dalawa ang lamang dito ng Lady Tigers. Again, Bombita on the serving line for the Lady Tigers. A great
Nice
serve. 17. And that was the score for the Lady Tigers. It was outside. 7-4 sa ating talaan. And now, Bombita on the serving line for the Lady Tigers.
What a powerful serve.
Number 2. Sets that up. A score again for the Lady Tigers. Tuloy-tuloy dito ang puntos. And a timeout called by the side of the Lady Tigers. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good.
We are live again here at the USI Frasati Gym and of course sa ating Facebook page, Bucal and GNN. And now back to the ball game. Bombita to serve the ball. A score again for the side of the Lady Tigers. And now, para mas mapakinggan pa natin kung ano yung preparations ng Lady Falcons dito, pakinggan natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way from the side of the Lady Falcons, Mafel.
Thank you, Tin and Kay. Good afternoon to all Bicolanos na umaantabay sa laban na ito. Dito nga natin nakikita na hindi nagpapatalo ang mga babae at marami nga tayong aabangan sa laban na ito. I am Marifel Fernandez, your courtside reporter, all the way from the bench of USI Lady Falcons. Isa na namang mainit na labanan ng ating masasaksihan. This is USI Lady Falcons versus NCF Lady Tigers. At kahit hindi nagwagi ang Lady Falcons sa kanilang last game, ngayon ang baon nila ay mas malakas na pwersa at ang kanilang fighting spirit. Ayon sa kanilang head coach Molina, hindi sila nagbago ng technique at strategy sa game na ito at nag-stick to the plan pa rin sila. Kailangan nilang ilabas ang tapang ng mga players at tibayan pa ang mga hampas upang magwagi sa set. Back to you, Kay and Tin.
Thank you so much, Mafel, for that report at narinig natin na nananatili pa rin ang kanilang fighting spirit at hindi sila nagbago ng techniques at syempre nag-stick lang sila sa plans, Tin.
Yes, Kay. Dito sa ating scoreboard, it's 10-5. 5 ang kalamangan dito ng Lady Tigers. And now, Zamudio on the serving line for the side of Lady Tigers. Rayalik. It was a not touch. The score goes to the Lady Tigers again. 12-5. Mabilis-bilis ang laro natin ngayon. But USI talagang lalaban pa rin. Eritrea on the serving line.
What a powerful serve.
Number 9. Number 13 sets up for number 5. Again, a powerful spikes for the Lady Tigers. Score after score. It's 13-5.
Now serving Abitria for Lady Tigers. A
great
powerful serve.
12 sets that up. 13. And that was the score of the Lady Tigers again.
At nakikita natin na parang nagpapakitang gilas ngayon ang Lady Tigers.
Yes, this is their first appearance this season of Bucal. And of course, they are the defending champion. Talaga namang pinapakita nila na yung titulong iyon ay para sa kanila. But of course, hindi magpapatalo itong Lady Falcons.
At malayo-layo pa naman tayo, kaya pwede pa namang makahabol ang Falcons.
Yes. Another point again for the Lady Tigers.
At 10 na ang lamang ng Lady Tigers kontra Lady Falcons at this moment. Now serving Abitria for Lady Tigers.
A good serve. Bonita. A score again for the side of Lady Tigers. Sunod-sunod dito. And a timeout called by the side of the Lady Falcons. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back live here at USI Forsate Gym at ang talaan natin ngayon, Lady Tigers 16 at ang Lady Falcons ay 5. Back to the ball game tayo, Tin.
Ayan, bakbakan tayo dito. Flores. A score goes to the Lady Falcons. Pumupuntos sila dito. 16-6 sa ating talaan.
Tin, gusto nating pasalamatan ang ating mga minamahal na sponsors, Naga College Foundation, 3D Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Congressman Gabby Bordado, 3rd District Camarines Sur, Lemon Residences, Mangcox Kinalas, Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Wings, Delamar Psychomatic Center, Nagayon Travels and Tours, Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services. Maraming salamat po.
Meron pa, Camser Biyahe, Viort Gallery by NCF, Cap Azon Peña Flor, NCF Driving School, Willie and Sons, SM City Naga, Tigers Cafe, Wow, Worlds of Water, AET Graphics and Ads, at NCF Training Pool. Maraming salamat po.
Back to the ball game tayo, Tin.
Panike. But that was for the Lady Falcons.
Lamang na ng 10 ang Lady Tigers at this moment. Pero titingnan natin kung makakahabol pa ba ang Lady Falcons.
Yes, kay pumupuntos na dito ang Lady Falcons. And we have Leron on the serving line for the side of the Lady Falcons. Taking her time to serve.
Nice
A good
serve.
A miscalculation right there by Mianda. And score again for the Lady Falcons. Again, it's Leron on the serving line of the Lady Falcons. It was outside.
Kaya ang puntos ay napunta sa Lady Tigers.
Yes, an automatic point for that.
At kailangan nilang i-minimize yung ganun kasi regalo yon sa kabilang kupunan.
Yes.
Now serving Flores for Lady Tigers.
18-8 na sa ating talaan. 10 ang kalamangan dito ng Lady Tigers. Puntos muli sa Lady Tigers dito. Miscalculation by Ahero.
Now serving again Flores for Lady Tigers.
You know what, Kay? Ito share lang natin ha. First time natin magpo-partner dito and this
Yes,
is a
Tin.
girl power talaga naman. Dahil nga ang maglalaban ngayon is the Lady Tigers and the Lady Falcons, and now we are commentating here today a good match up between these two.
At masasabi ko, nakaka-proud talaga maging
Yes.
babae kasi kahit sa sports talagang nangingibabaw ang kababaihan.
Yes, ang galing talaga. And now, another point goes to the Lady Tigers.
At
21-8.
4 na lang, Tin, mapupunta na sa Lady Tigers ang set na ito. Pero titingnan natin kung papayag ba ang Lady Falcons.
Ayan, a timeout called by the Lady Falcons. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back live here at USI for Strategy. Ang score natin ngayon, Lady Tigers 21 at Lady Falcons ay 8. Back to the ball game tayo, team.
Ayan, puntos muli para dito sa Lady Tigers. 3 na lamang ang hinihintay nila para makuha itong set number 1. And again, Flores on the serving line for the nth time. And now, the USI Falcons need to reassess themselves for this set.
Yes, Tin.
Ayan nga, a service error for the Lady Tigers and a score for the Lady Falcons. And now Ahero on the serving line to serve the ball. Taking her time to serve. Great serve. 17. Ahero. Ball is still alive right there. And it was outside. Score for the Lady Tigers, 23-9. Dalawa na lamang ang hinihintay nila para makuha ang set number 1.
Now serving Mianda for Lady Tigers.
Taking her time to serve.
What a
great
powerful serve.
Ahero. Panike. A great spike right there. But that was for the Lady Tigers. Again, we are on the set point. Isang puntos na lamang. Makukuha na ng Lady Tigers ang set number 1. USI, kailangang humabol dito.
Now serving again Mianda for Lady Tigers.
A great serve. Number 4. Panike. And that was the end of our set number 1, 25-9 in favor of the Lady Tigers. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good.
Mabuhay! My name is Karen K. Escaro, 21 from Naga College Foundation, your commentator for Bucal Season 4. I'm a third-year communications student and I love to be part of big events because it expands my experience. Although it's my first time to be commentator, I'll assure you guys na magiging updated kayo inside and outside the court. Again, it's me, Kay. Magsama-sama tayo at magkita-kita sa pinaka-inaabangang paghaharap ng mga galing na athletes from universities and colleges dito sa Bicol. See you there!
Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back again here at the USI for Strategy with our set number 2. Nagsisimula na nga tayo dito sa ating set number 2. Pero okay, pag-usapan muna natin itong nangyari sa set number 1 sa ating statistics. Sa SPAC, meron dito ang Lady Tigers ng 13 habang wala naman sa Lady Falcons. May 3 blocks naman dito ang Lady Tigers habang wala na naman para sa Lady Falcons. And for the reception, marami dito sa Lady Falcons, 17/4. As for the errors, marami ang Lady Falcons. Ano kaya yung magiging adjustment and ad-libs na gagawan dito ng Lady Falcons para makuha ang set number 2?
Malalaman natin yan, Tin, kung anong gagawin nila for this set para naman sila ang manalo ngayon.
Yes, ayan, nakuha nga ng NCF ang unang 2 puntos sa set number 2.
Now, serving kinilitan for Lady Tigers.
17, Realik. Great spike from the side of the Lady Tigers by Cáceres. It's 3-0 run para dito sa Lady Tigers.
Now, serving kinilitan for Lady Tigers.
Taking her time to serve the ball. And it was outside.
Kaya naman ang puntos ay mapupunta sa ating Lady Falcons.
An automatic point for that. And Ebonia, the captain ball of the Lady Falcons, will serve the ball. And it was also outside.
Nagpapalitan ngayon, Tin, ng service error ang dalawang kupunan at kailangan nila yung i-minimize.
Yes, back-to-back error from this both teams.
Now, serving Selga for Lady Tigers.
Taking her time. Another point for the Lady Tigers. At para malaman kung ano ang nangyari sa set number 1 dito sa Lady Falcons, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter, Mafel. Mafel, anong nangyari sa set number 1? Ayan, back to the ball game tayo. A long rally here. Yan, puntos muli dito sa Lady Tigers. It's 6-1 sa ating talaan. 5 ang kalamangan dito. Ayan, okay na ang ating courtside reporter na si Mafel. Mafel, anong nangyari sa set number 1?
Thank you, Kay and Tin. Lady Falcons, yan ang sinisigaw at hinihiyaw ng mga fans mula sa University of Santa Isabel. Ngunit ayon kay Coach Molina, kailangan nilang matapatan ang game plan at ang magandang laro ng kabilang team. Turnovers, yan ang problema ng team. But on a positive side, hindi pa rin sila nawawala ng pag-asa upang makabawi sa susunod na set. That's all for now. Back to you, Kay and Tin.
Thank you so much, Mafel, for that report. At narinig nga natin, Tina, hindi pa rin sila nawawala ng kumpiyansa para manalo on this game.
Yes, back to the ball game tayo kay Ebonia. Leron for the side of USI. A great spike right there, but the ball is still alive. Leron again. A great spike. Brenna.
Long rally to Tin.
Yes.
Aalamin
Buhay.
natin kung kanino mapupunta ang puntos na ito.
Yan, napunta na nga sa Lady Falcons ang mahabang rallying iyan.
Unang puntos para sa kanila sa set na ito.
It's 7-2 sa ating talaan. The Lady Falcons will serve the ball. It was a service error.
Puntos ay mapupunta sa Lady Tigers.
Ayan. Cáceres on the side. Ayan, para naman dito sa side ng Lady Tigers, we have our courtside reporter, Kyla. Kyla, anong nangyari dyan?
Kay KNT, first set pa lang nga, umaarangkada na ang Lady Tigers dahil nakuha nila ito sa score na 25-9. Makikita nga natin ang sinasabing braver Lady Tigers this first set. Ayon kay Assistant Coach Emmanuel Cabrera, nag-stick sa system at sinunod ang game plan ng Lady Tigers kaya't nasungkit nila ang first set. Paalala naman ni Coach Porley, iwasan ang ball miss para tuloy-tuloy ang momentum. Manaig pa rin kaya ang Lady Tigers sa second set? Yan ang ating abangan. For now, back to you, Tin and Kay.
Thank you so much, Kayla. At narinig nga natin, Tina, kailangan nila talagang mag-stick to the plan para naman mapanatili ang panalo this game.
Ayan, Kay, back to the ball game tayo. Ebonya to Ahero. It was for the Lady Falcons.
At parang humahabol na nga Tin ngayon
Yes.
ng Falcons.
Hindi doon na-anticipate yung bola. And now on the side of the Lady Falcons, Rhea Leak on the serving line to serve the ball. Taking her time to serve. A great serve right there.
19. What a powerful serve.
Again, a score goes to the Lady Tigers. Masyadong malakas doon ang tapo ni Ibonya. Ayan, Kay. Pasalamatan lang din natin ang mga nanonood sa atin ng live and sa mga supporters ng Lady Falcons and Lady Tigers. Shout out dyan kina Jared, Mafel, and Valerie na nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Maraming salamat
Yes.
po sa inyong suporta. Back to the ball game tayo, Tin.
Ulipin. A score goes to the Lady Tigers.
Ang talaan natin ngayon, Lady Tigers ay 10 at ang Lady Falcons naman ay 3. Now
Better.
serving.
Better on the serving line. A great serve. Number 6, 14. But that goes with the Lady Falcons. Kahit paunti-unti yung score nila, talagang natutuwa sila dito at hindi sila nawawala ng pag-asa na makapuntos dito.
At yun nga ang sinabi ng kanilang coach, Tina, dapat hindi sila mawala ng kumpiyansa kasi pwede pa naman silang humabol for this game.
Yes, ayan, Leron on the serving line for the Lady Falcons. A service ace coming from Leron. Talaga namang humahabol sila dito. It's 10-5 sa ating talaan. 5 ang kalamangan ng Lady Tigers.
At mukhang gustong habulin ng Lady Falcons ang puntos ng Lady Tigers ngayon, Tin.
Yes, Leron again on the serving line. Serve the ball. A great serve. And that was for the Lady Tigers. Now, on the serving line,
Back live for Lady Tigers.
a great
What
serve
a
right
powerful
there.
serve.
Olipina. Ahero. A miscalculation right there by Ahero. A score again for the Lady Tigers. 12-5 sa ating talaan. 7 ang kalamangan ng Lady Tigers dito.
Now serving back live for Lady Tigers.
A great serve. Ebonya. Pero para sa Lady Falcons ang puntos na iyan.
Pero ngayon, Tin, 6 na ang labang ng Lady
Yes.
Tigers kontra Lady Falcons.
For the serving line, we have Olipina for the Lady Falcons. Taking her time to serve. A strong spike right there. Score goes to the Lady Falcons. It was outside.
At nagiging regalo pag ganun, Tin, sa kabilang
Yes.
kupunan. Now serving.
Olipina again for the Lady Falcons. Taking her time to serve. It was a service error
Regalo yan sa
Yes.
Lady Tigers.
coming from Olipina.
Now serving Bombita for Lady Tigers.
13-7 sa ating talaan. 6 ang kalamangan dito ng Lady Tigers. A good serve. A service ace coming from Bombita. 14-7 sa ating talaan.
Now serving again, Bombita for Lady Tigers.
The Lady Falcons need to reassess themselves to get together. A service ace again for Bombita. 15-7 na sa ating talaan. Bombita again on the serving line.
Tingnan natin, Tin, kung makakagawa pa siya ng service ace at this moment.
Yes. Now, kailangan gumalaw-galaw ng Lady Falcons.
Para mahabol nila
Yes.
ang puntos ng Lady Tigers.
Dahil lumalamang na nga dito. Great serve right there. Ebonya. Kinilitan. And that was for the Lady Tigers. Oh. A timeout called again. Oh no, it's not a timeout. But the score goes to the Lady Falcons. It was an error for the Lady Tigers, I mean. And now we have Ahero on the serving line. It was outside.
Puntos ay mapupunta sa Lady Tigers.
And a timeout was called for the side of USI. 16-8 sa ating talaan. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back live here at US Cypress City Gym. At ngayon, ang ating talaan, Lady Tigers ay 16 at ang Lady Falcons naman ay 8. Back to the ball game tayo, team.
Kinilitan on the serving line. A service ace coming from Kinilitan. That scores goes to the Lady Tigers. 17-8 sa ating talaan.
Again, now serving Kinilitan for Lady Tigers.
Taking her time to serve. Again, a score for the Lady Tigers. It was inside.
At 10 na ang lamang ng Tigers ngayon, team.
Yes, Kinilitan again on the serving line. Ayan, Kay, pasalamatan naman natin ang ating mga sponsors.
Naga College Foundation, 3D Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Congressman Gabby Bordado, 3rd District, Lemon Residences, Mangcox, Kinalas, Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Wings, Delamar Psychomedic Center, Nagayan Travels and Tours, Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services,
Camsur Viaje, View Art Gallery by NCF, Capazon Peñaflor, NCF Driving School, Willie & Sons, SM City Naga, Tigers Cafe, Wow, Worlds of Water, AET Graphics and Ads, at NCF Training Pool. Maraming salamat po.
back to the ball game tayo, teen.
18-10 na sa ating talaan ngayon. Ebonya on the serving line.
What a powerful serve.
Kinilitan. Miscalculation right there for Rhea Leak.
Siyam na ang lamang ng Lady Tigers ngayon kontra Lady Falcons. At titingnan natin, Tin, kung makakahabol pa ba ang Falcons ngayon.
Ayan, Saga on the serving line for the Lady Tigers.
Nice
A
serve.
good serve. Ebonya. Toleron. Kinilitan. What a fast face right there.
At
May
lima na lamang Tina puntos ay makukuha na naman ng Lady Tigers ang set na ito. Pero titingnan natin kung papayag pa ba ang Lady Falcons.
Again, Kinilitan on the serving line. It's 20-10 sa ating talaan. 5 na lamang ang hinihintay dito ng Lady Tigers para makuha muli ang set number 2. A good serve, Leron. Score goes to the Lady Tigers. 21-10 sa ating talaan. A substitution here between Ebonya and Jericho.
Now serving Selga for Lady Tigers.
Taking her time to serve. A good
Nice serve.
serve. The ball is still on the Lady Tigers. Brina. It was still safe. The ball is still alive here. And the score goes to the Lady Tigers. It's still inside. Again, Salga on the serving line to serve the ball. 22-10 sa ating talaan. 3 na lamang dito ang hinihintay natin para isara ang set number 2.
That's right, Tin.
Leron through the block. Puntos para sa Lady Falcons. 22-11.
At nakikita natin, Tina, hindi pa talaga nawawala ng pag-asa o kumpiyansa ang Lady Falcons.
Ayan, ini-enjoy na lamang dito ng Lady Falcons ang larong ito. This is still an experience for them.
That's right, Tin.
Kinilitan. A great spike right there by Cáceres. Score goes to the Lady Tigers.
Now serving Cáceres for Lady Tigers.
Taking her time to serve. A good serve. Leron. It was blocked by Veteran Baklay. Puntos muli sa Lady Tigers. At a set point. Isa na lamang dito. Makukuha na ng Lady Tigers ang set number 1. And that was it. Nakuha na nga ng Lady Tigers ang set number 1, 25-11. Magbabalik pa po kami sa GNN Sports TV para sa set number 3.
Fast break layup. It's good.
am Christine Arias, 21, a third-year AB Communication student of NCF, and I will be one of your commentators for this season of Bucal. I'm not a really sporty type of person, but I do get fascinated watching and listening to commentators. And also, as a communication student, I think it will help me hone my communication skills and, of course, to socialize with other people. Samahan niyo kaming tutukan at subaybayan ang bawat team this Bucal Season 4.
Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back live here at UNIVERSIDAD Gym at nakuha na nga ng
NCF Tigers ang set number 2. It's 2-0, nothing pa tayo dito. 25-11 ang naging talaan natin sa set number 2. Alam mo, Kay, kailangan ditong humabol ng Lady Falcons dahil nga nakakalamang na ang Lady Tigers dito. Pero titingnan natin kung hindi na ba papayagan yan ng Lady Tigers at kukunin na nila ang kanilang unang palalo for this season.
At nakikita natin, Tina, pinapatunayan talaga ng Lady Tigers na sila ang defending champion.
Ayan, syempre, batiin lang din natin ang mga nanonood sa atin ng live. Hello kina Carla May Calleja, Cristina Valenzuela at Jolina Paharin na nanonood sa atin ngayon. And of course, sa mga nanonood dito live sa UNIVERSIDAD Gym, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. And of course, sa ating mga sponsors, maraming salamat din po. We have NCF Training Pool, DLMR Psychometric Center,
3D Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges. Maraming salamat po. At Tin, gusto nating malaman kung ano ba yung statistics na nangyari sa set 2.
Ito nga kay dito sa Spike 11 para dito sa Lady Tigers, samantalang 4 naman sa Lady Falcons. For the block, we have 2 against 0. For the service A, 6 and 1. For the errors, pareho lang 6. Ngayon naman, para malaman natin ang nangyari dito sa USI Lady Falcons, pakinggan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Mafel. Mafel, kamusta dyan?
Yes, KNT, hindi man nagwagi ang Lady Falcons sa set na ito, stick to the game plan pa rin at susundin ang kanilang routine upang mas mabuti pa ang kanilang performance. I-enjoy ang laban at ituloy-tuloy lang kung anong nasimulan, sabi nga ni Coach Molina. This is the time when their teamwork and unity is at its peak at ito ang pagkakataon ang kanilang lakas at enerhiya upang makabawi. Back to you, KNT.
Nagsistick pa rin sila sa kanilang game plan at they just enjoy this game at kailangan talaga nila ng teamwork.
Ayan, Kay, kailangan talaga nila ditong humabol dahil dito sa ating set number 3 nagsisimula na. Unang nakakuha nga ng puntos ang Lady Tigers. And now,
Serving Flores for Lady Tigers.
taking her time to serve.
Nice serve.
Ahero. Baklay. A great spike right there. Nagkaroon nga dito ng tamaan, but it's still okay. The game is still alive at patuloy lang.
At nangyayari talaga yung Tin sa
Yes.
ganitong mga laro.
Ayan, para malaman dito ang mga naging puntos sa Lady Tigers, pakinggan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Kyla, kamusta dyan?
KNT, nasungkit pa rin nga ng Lady Tigers ang second set sa score na 25-11 dahil sa galing ng depensa na pinapakita nila. Talagang sinapuso nila ang lahat ng payo at paalala ni Coach Parley. Bago nga magsimula ang third set, patuloy silang pinapaalahanan ni Coach Parley na bawasan ng error para tuloy-tuloy ang momentum. Makuha pa rin kaya ng Lady Tigers ang third set at maiuwi ang kanilang unang panalo for this Bucal Season 4. Yan ang ating abangan abangan. For now, back to you, Kay and Tin.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that report. At talaga namang sinasapuso talaga ng mga players ng NCF ang payo ng kanilang coach at kailangan talaga nilang bawasan ng error kasi regalo yon sa kabilang kupunan. Back to the ball game tayo, Tin.
Ayan, Kay, 5-0 run na nga dito ang ating puntos.
Now serving Flores.
Ayan, nagkaroon muna tayo ng substitution dito. Flores again on the serving line. Taking her time to serve.
Nice serve.
Save by Ahero. Ulipan. But that score goes to the Lady Tigers.
6 na ang puntos ng Lady Tigers at this moment. Now serving again Flores for Lady Tigers.
Alam mo, Kay, this final game is really worth to watch kasi makikita mo dito yung consistency for the side of the Lady Tigers. And of course, for the Lady Falcons, kailangan lang din natin talaga na maging consistent sila and adjustment sa kanilang laro.
That's right, Tin.
And now, Ahero on the serving line for the side of the Lady Falcons. A good serve. Bombita. And that score goes to the Lady Falcons. Thanks to their libero, Nierva.
4 na ang lamang ng Tigers ngayon. Titingnan natin, Tin, kung makakahabol pa ang Lady Falcons kasi mahaba-haba pa naman ito.
Ito nga, Ahero on the serving line again. A good serve. Panike. A great spike right there. Ayan na nga. 7-2 sa ating talaan. 5 ang kalamangan ng Lady Tigers dito.
Now serving Baklay for Lady Tigers.
Taking her time to serve.
Nice serve.
Ahero sets that up. For Panike. Again, a great spike right there. A great attack coming from the Lady Tigers. It's 8-2. And a timeout was called by the side of the Lady Falcons. So, okay, pag-usapan natin tong nangyayari dito. It's 8-2. Diba? Kailangang humabol dito ng Lady Falcons dahil nga umuurada at pumupuntos pa dito ang Lady Tigers.
Kailangan talaga nilang sumunod sa payo ng kanilang coach at they need a teamwork, a good communication skills.
Ayan, Kay, pasalamatan lang din natin ulit ang ating mga sponsors. Camsur Viaje, VR Gallery, Cap Azon Peñaflor, NCF Driving School, Willie & Sons, SM City Naga, Tigers Cafe, Wow, Worlds of Water, AT Graphics and Ads at NCF Training Pool. Maraming salamat po.
Back to the ball game tayo, Tin. Now serving Baklay for Lady Tigers.
A good serve right there. Ahero sets up for Olipin. Baklay. And that score goes to the Lady Falcons.
At parang humahabol na nga, Tin, ang Lady Falcons at this moment.
Yes, it's 8-3 sa ating talaan. Olipina on the serving line. Taking her time. A good serve. Eritrea. But that score goes to the Lady Tigers again. 9-3 sa ating talaan.
And Tin, gusto nating pasalamatan ng Universidad de Santa Isabel kasi sila yung home court for this game. Maraming salamat po.
Yan, sa kanilang accommodation dito sa mga manonood. And that score goes to the Lady Tigers, a service ace.
7 na ang lamang ng Lady Tigers kontra Lady Falcons at this moment, Tin.
Yan, Paniki again on the service line or the serving line. She got her service ace. taking her time to serve. And it was inside, a service ace. Again, from the Lady Tigers. 11-3 sa ating talaan.
Tingnan natin ngayon kung makakagawa pa ng service ace.
Itong si Panike. Good serve right there. Debahicos for the score of the Lady Tigers.
At i-acknowledge ulit natin ang ating mga FB Live viewers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Shout out kay Rick Puerta. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, Paniki again on the serving line for the Lady Tigers. A
Nice
good
serve.
serve. Ahero. It was save. Debahicos again. But it was neglected by the net. Score goes to the Lady Falcons. 12-4 sa ating talaan. Desena on the serving line for the Lady Falcons. Taking her time. A good serve right there.
What a
Again,
powerful attack.
Debahicos. A great attack coming from Debahicos right there. Sunod na puntos.
Now serving Bombita for Lady Tigers.
Taking her time. 13-4 sa ating talaan. A good serve. A miscommunication right there. That score goes to the Lady Falcons. 13-5. 8 ang kalamangan dito ng USI.
At pwede pa
ng
namang
NCF.
humabol ng Lady Falcons. Titingnan natin yan.
Yes. Rhea Leak on the serving line for the Lady Falcons. Good serve. Debahicos. A great attack. Back-to-back attack from Debahicos. Maganda pinapakita niya ditong laro. Lady Falcons versus Lady Tigers.
Now serving better for Lady Tigers.
Ayan, it was a service error coming from the Lady Tigers.
Ang talaan natin ngayon ng Lady Tigers ay 14 at ang Lady Falcons naman ay 6.
Yes. 14-6. Ayan. Si Agumaa for the side of Lady Falcons to serve the ball. Taking her time. A good serve here. Baklay! A quick attack for Baklay. That score goes to the Lady Falcons or the Lady Tigers, I mean.
Now
15-6.
serving the Baculos for Lady Tigers.
15-6 sa ating talaan dito. Siyam ang kalamangan ng Lady Tigers. A service ace coming from
The Baculos.
yan, Debaculos, a service ace. And now a timeout called by the side of the USI Falcons. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good. fast break layup. It's good.
We are back live here at USI Versati Gym. Ang ating talaan ngayon, Lady Tigers 16 at ang Lady Falcons ay 6. Back to the ball game tayo, Tin.
Ayan nga. Puntos para sa Lady Tigers dito. 17-6. De Baculos on the serving line to serve the ball. Taking her time to serve. A strong serve coming from the Baculos, and that was a service ace. 18-16 or 18-6 sa ating talaan. And again, the Baculos on the serving line.
Tingnan natin kung makakagawa pa siya ng service ace at this moment.
Yes, Kay, pasalamatan natin ang mga nanonood sa atin. Shoutout dyan sa ating live viewers, and that was a service error.
At
Coming from the
pasalamatan
Baculos.
ulit natin, Tin, ang Universidad de Santa Isabel for having this home court at sa accommodation. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, Javier for the side of Lady Falcons to serve.
Good serve. What a
Panike!
powerful hit.
But score goes to the Lady Tigers. 19-7. 6 na lamang dito at makukuha na ng Lady Tigers ang kanilang unang panalo sa season na ito.
Now serving Flores for Lady Tigers. What a powerful serve.
Ahero. Panike again. The ball is still alive here. And that was the score for Bombita of the Lady Tigers.
At Tin, 5 na lamang nga at makukuha na ulit ng Tigers ang game na ito.
Yes. On
Now
the
serving
line.
Flores again from Lady Tigers.
It was outside. Score goes to the Lady Falcons. 28 sa ating talaan. And Ahero on the serving line for the Lady Falcons. Taking her time to serve. A good serve right there. Bombita. Score goes to the Lady Tigers. And now Miranda on the serving line. 21-8 ang ating talaan. 4 na lamang ang hinihintay natin dito. Miranda. Service ace. Coming from the Lady Tigers. 22-8. 3 na lamang. Again, Miranda on the serving line. Taking her time to serve. A good serve. Ahero. Panike. Through the block of Olipina. Score again for the Lady Tigers. 23-8 sa ating talaan. 2 na lamang ang hinihintay natin para matapos ang larong ito.
Now serving Miranda for Lady Tigers.
Taking her time to serve. A good serve right there. Ahero. Score goes to the Lady Falcons right there. 23-9 sa ating talaan. And Ulipina on the serving line to serve for the Lady Falcons. Taking her time.
Nice serve. Bombita.
What a powerful spike right there from Bombita. We are on our match point. Isa na lamang, panalo na dito ang Lady Tigers.
That's right, Tin. Now serving Panike for Lady Tigers.
Great serve, Ahero. Leron. Abitria. To Debalhicos. And that was the end of set number 3. Nanaig na nga dito ang Lady Tigers 25-9. Sa ating pagbabalik, mas makikilala pa natin ang ating best player of the game. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.
I am Kyla M. Casulia, 21 years old from Naga College Foundation, a third-year student taking up Bachelor of Arts in Communication. I will be a courtside reporter this coming Bucal Season 4. I do not have experience in volleyball, but I am playing lawn tennis. You can expect that I will give you an updates that are concise yet relevant. Sabay-sabay nating tuklasin at alamin ang magagaling na manlalaro sa Bicol. See you there!
Fast break layup. It's good.
Thank you, Tin and Kay. At kasama na nga natin ang ating best player of the game. And the best player of the game is brought to you by the College of Arts and Sciences. And now, here is jersey number 17 with 7 points, 6 dig and 2 reception. None other than Miss Ara Panike. Hi Miss Ara, congratulations. So ano ang nararamdaman mo sa unang panalo ng NCF Lady Tigers?
Masaya po.
Nakita naman natin kung gaano kakagaling and meron ka bang personal preparations like routines or rituals bago magsimula ang game?
Pray lang po kay God. Nagabayan na po kami sa game. And siya na po iwas lang po kami sa injuries, gano'n. Tapos, paano buuin po yung team namin? Yan.
Sino ang naging inspirasyon mo for this game nyo against the Lady Falcons?
Yung family ko po and yung team.
At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na ang iyong mga gustong batiin.
Hello po sa family ko po dyan sa Negros Occidental. Family Panike po and family Banabilis po. Ingat po kayo lagi. See you soon.
Thank you so much, Ara, and congratulations again. And thank you sa lahat ng nood at tumutok sa atin at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This has been your courtside reporter, Kyla Casulia. Thank you and God bless us all. Back to you, Tin and Kay.
Congratulations again sa ating best player of the game, Ara Panike at Tin. Ano nga ba ang stats niya?
Ayan, dito si Ara Panike. She has 7 points, 6 digs, and 2 excellent receptions. Maganda ang ipinakita niya dito for the both teams. Siyempre, yung Lady Falcons sa habol pa yan at lalaban pa yan sa mga susunod na araw. And bago tayo magtapos, gusto lang din nating pasalamatan ang ating live viewers sa Facebook Live natin, GNN at Bucal. At of course, dito sa loob ng USI Frasati Gym, maraming salamat po.
Once again, this is Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball. I'm Karen K. Escaro and with me,
I am Christine Reyes, and for more updates and games, dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.